Hey, Scratch World, it's your girl, Princess Scratcher 508. How you guys doing? Before we start, would you like to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, and then hit all for all notifications? We're gonna try this again with 10 of the $5 Monopolies. We got it at the same store called Petromax on Main Street in Southbridge. You guys ever want to go over there and grab some tickets? Just tell them Princess Scratcher sent you over there. Um, let's see if we can hit again. I got 10. This is only a $50 session with 10 of the $5 Monopolies. If we hit big, I'll go get some of the $10 Monopolies. But out here in Mass, we did not get none of the $20 Monopolies like other states do. So, let's get scratching. I have ticket 35 all the way to 26. Here's 10 tickets. And also, it's the same book from the last time I got the 10 in, and I only got $5 back, but numbers way far apart from one another. So let's start scratching. We got 19, 6, 29, 17. And the doubler number is 3. Nothing on the doubler. Well, not even a 1 off on these, I don't see. Just only the 5. That's really wow. First one is a dud. So we have ticket 34. $17, $11, $21, and 25. Let's see what the doubler number is. 1 off the doubler. Wow, the 25 and the 26 is the doubler. Ooh, I got a choo-choo train and auto win. Ooh, an 11. 15. 4. 1. 16. 1 off. 3. 8. A reverse on the 21. 9. And 25. I got an auto win and 2 matches. Wow, we're doing better from the last time. That's 5, 10, a $20 hit. And you could tell, you gotta be careful here in Mass, because they give you the codes of what your winning number is. You see, 20. TWY stands for $20. Wow, $20 win. Awesome. We have ticket 33. I'm going to do a symbol hunt. No symbols. We're looking for an 11. No 11. A 1. Nope. A 4. We got a 5. Nope. 26, 27. 25. Let's see what the doubler number is. 19. I wonder, because this doubler, if you hit the doubler, you match and you win all prizes doubled. So yeah, ticket 32. 8, 9, 3. Ooh, got another train. That's 2 trains. 24, 21, 11, 1, 17, 27, 10, 13. So we need a 6. Nope. 14. Nope. 29. Nope. 26. There's 27. Nope. $5. So we're at half back, and we only scratched 4 tickets. So we got a half back. So that's awesome. So let's see if we can hit more on these. So it's ticket 31. The doubler number is 3. It's 1, 16, 17, and 7. One, one off. Look at that. Nothing on that one. Doing a little simple hunt. No 13. No 26. 22. Nope, got the 21. 7. The 17. And of course, one off for the doubler. Come on. Let's win big. Come on. Ticket 29. This is the doubler number 13. Oh, one off. 21. So we have 2, 14, 21. I haven't hit no 20 times, no the Monopoly head or the go yet at all. Ooh, we got a train. It's $5. I could have told by the E right there. So we're back at 30. Wow. So far I need $20 more to break even in the last 1, 2, 3 tickets, or at least 25 to go into profit. So let's see if we can hit it. I can't wait to find a good stand and a good light source. I'm using some light from outside and my dust light. The doubler number is 15. So we got a 6. We got the 4 and the 5. A 1. The 2. The 25. Nope. 18. Nothing. At least we're doing better from the last video. $5 out of 70 last time. I know that we're gonna have some good sessions and some bad sessions, or medium sessions, like in between, but I never hit a one where I can hit a claimer or more than $100. I wish I can hit more than that one time to get 27. 26 is a dollar. Ooh, 222s. And we got a train. $23, $21, $15, and a $13. So let's see. We got the 222s right there. We have an 18. No, I don't. A 15. Yep, I got one 15. That's 3 matches with a train and a 9er. No 9er. So let's see. That's 5, 10, 15, 20. Ooh, I am at break even. Awesome sauce. I found a good batch of the things, so 50 out of 50. Ooh. It's a break-even session so far, so this is my last ticket. 15, 3, 16, and 26. Nope. No doubler. 29, 24, 12, 4, 1 off. Nope. Nope. 22, 14, 1 off. Pesky number 1, 21, 27, 1 off. And 18. Loser. But hey, at the same time, guess what? I got 2 20s and 2 $5 winners. So that makes it $50 even that I spent. This was a good session for me. So I just want you guys to go make sure and reach out, subscribe to my channels, hit the bell button, and make sure you can hit all for the notifications. And also look at Scratch Life, sub to his. Make sure you watch all his videos. He's got lives and stuff like that. DK Scratcher, Polly Scratcher, Tower Scratcher. We have Mama Speaks Speaks Lottery. We have Money Speaks Lottery. We have a lot of scratch off channels out there, like Aussie Scratch Life. Also we have wow, there's so many to remember all of them. Also Primetime Scratcher. Also Money Speaks Lottery has another channel, which is Money Speaks Automotive, something like that, for cars, I believe. So he's gonna do a giveaway. So if you guys want, go check that out too. Also, and just try to reach out to as many as you can. I'm trying to think of more scratch offs. Grods, Get Rich or Start or Die Trying. AR Platinum. Also Fixing to Scratch. He's another one. He got also another channel, which is Fixing to Spin. Go check them out. just, enjoy and watch, and always play responsibly. Play what's in your means and what you can do and what you can't do. Just play, have fun with it, and enjoy. So, well, I gotta let you guys go. I have a couple things to do. I just got out of work. So I hope you have an enjoyable night. I hope you guys enjoy this one. We got a break even session, and enjoy. Princess Scratcher 508 out.